Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and it does have a lot of features, AI features you can use. At the top, we say GPT-5 mini. You can tap on that option here, and you can see all the AI models which you can use, not just DeepSeek, you have Gemini and so forth. You can also see the Pro, Gemini 3 Pro as well. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have different options which you can use as well. What you need help with, let's say for homework, love, coding, pretty much anything. All you have to do is just ask the AI. Here, the plus icon, you pretty much can add your files. If you're gonna scan some documents, upload a photo, you can do that as well. If you're tired of typing, you can send a voice note. If you can't bother with the typing. Over here, 3 lines, nothing much, just the options which you can use or the tools which you can use. And at the top here where it says free trial, this is where you pretty much go to get your subscription. Do offer a pro option, and they do offer a lifetime subscription as well. So as you can see here, it's very simple application. Very easy to use. All you have to do is ask the AI what you want, select whichever model you want to use. As you all know, the higher the model, the pro version models would require subscription. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one.